What's up, Frankie Morris? What? It's your girl Frankie Morris for the crown, aka Yoki Gang 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 Gang. So guys, today I'm gonna show you something very cool. The air water. Yep, rain is falling, so I'm gonna show you the rain. And it's like blessed. I'm gonna show you right now. It's very nice. So yep. See y'all. Yep, guys, this is the rain. So it's getting wet. Look. See? Water is running. See it, guys. Rain is falling. Breeze is blowing. Chicken bottom is out of dope. And I'll do a story type for y'all, like which country I'm from. And so I know y'all supposed to hear that in my videos, like all my videos. But I'm not even gonna I'm not gonna do a story time. I'm gonna tell you which country I'm from. I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. So I'm gonna show you the rain again. Yep, guys. So rain is falling. This is the chicken, but it was out of course. I'm not doing any prank. Sleep my stomach. She just sleep my stomach. My stomach, guys. She don't care anymore. So y'all, this is gonna be today in the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe.